Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. For those of you that maybe this is your first time here or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, become part of the family, and help me grow my channel. So hit that subscribe button. So, I got triplets. To share with you guys. Yes, I got me some Coach triplets. One of the triplets you have already met, so I am gonna get into that and show you. But before we get into that, let's look at our handbag of the day. This is my handbag of the day. I am using the recently revealed to you guys Restore Soft Tabby and the wool knit and the large signature print. I don't think I showed this to you guys in the reveal video, but maybe some of you guys caught it. But she's got the C's throughout, so we got the signature print within the knit. So we have two big C's right here, and we have these two kind of facing down, and then we have the other. So that's like the pattern, how it goes. So yeah, so what I did with her was I put on her this DIY charm that we're all obsessing about, and I think I may have mentioned that I put the die and the pretzel and the shiny star with the pave crystals, the black bow, and the taxi cab. So I think they go very well with this bag or any other black and brass color hardware, or I should say brass hardware bag that I have. I did take my things out of her because I'm getting ready to go somewhere else and I've switched bags. I'm actually gonna be using, I can't show you because she's in the car, but I'm actually gonna be using the, and I'll insert a picture here, the black crystal velvet bag that matches my shiny shoes. So that is what I'm gonna be wearing tonight. I took all my knickknacks and essentials out of here, so she is empty right now, and that's probably why she's kind of collapsing, although she doesn't really collapse per se. She still has the original what do you call it, the little sticker thing, not a sticker, it's like the little blue plastic thing protector of the hardware, and it's also here. That is what I've been wearing up to this point, but she is about to be put away. Before I get into the Plaza bag triplets, I am gonna show you one more item that I got from Coach. These things are arriving separate. Today is the 26th of what month is this? March. Girl, why am I thinking it's already April? I am so confused right now. Anyways, so one of my other items arrived and I want to show you guys. This item came in this box from Coach, and it just had the receipt inside, and it did have the brown wrapping with the new sticker, but I don't know where that went. Anyways, this is what I got. I got one of the other Coach books that I was waiting for, and I don't know why this one and the other one are arriving separate, but I know there's been some confusion about these charms. Anyways, another one is coming in, I think tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So this is how she came in, or this is how the charm came in, attached with this. It's all taped, and let me take this off, and I got Sense and Sensibility. And I just thought, I don't have a whole lot of green, but I feel like this dark green can go with some of my black bags. I think this is gonna look gorgeous on the haversack. I think she's gonna go great with my Barrel Kislock Runway Whisper barrel bag. I just said barrel twice. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm hangry. I haven't eaten. I just been having fluids. I've been working like a crazy person, running around, and I forgot to eat. So, anyways. So cute. Let's take all this crap off. I like how this magnet works. It's pretty strong. It's pretty substantial. And I love the combination of this dark, like a hunter green, but it has a dark blue tone to it. Look at the back. It's so adorable. And I like the fact that the binding here of the book is in black, because I think this is gonna go really good with some of my black with brass hardware bags. This is adorable. I'm obsessed with it. And I have one more, like I said, I think it's arriving tomorrow, and you can try to guess and comment down below which other book you think I got. So cute, 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 cute. Okay, let's get into the triplets. So I've shown you guys one of these bags, but yes, I know I get a little bit crazy sometimes with this stuff, and yes, I am known for repeating the same item in different colors. If I really, really love an item and she comes in different colors, I'm probably just gonna get it, girl. I'm just gonna get it. But you don't have to, but I had to. I just had to do it. So I've shown you guys this gorgeous bag, and some of you have this bag. I believe Delene's got this bag, and I believe Yoda has this bag in the black. And my girl, Yoda, the queen. Girl, I saw your video. You're gonna get the white one. Shh. Anyways, but check it out. You guys have seen her. I have used her. She is insane. Now that I think about it, never mind. So I was gonna say maybe I need to leave my my shiny tabby behind and switch into one of these. But you'll know about her. And guess what? Guess what, girl? What? I got the black one. So honestly, this bag is stunning in person. As I've told you guys in other videos, sometimes you just have to see these bags in person, okay? And smell them and pet them, because they're gorge. But girl, how about, unlike her sister, the brown patchwork plaza, the black one has denim within the patches. Girl, what? So I don't know, when I realized that there was denim patches in it, I just couldn't help myself. I couldn't help myself. I went a little bit crazy, and I was just like, girl, what? This thing needs to come home with me. I love, just like the other one, how we have the different size of the signature print in the patches, and the front doesn't match the back. The back of the bag, we have the embossed leather pieces with the signature print. We have denim. We have black suede. Oh, so delicious. This is leather, just black leather. Yes, I have had her for about, I don't know, guys, a little bit over a week. but I haven't been able to get out of the brown one. But the other reason is because I was kind of waiting for the triplet. I was waiting for number 3 so that I can show you all together. So we all know that she has this little grommet here where you put this over here, right? And the shoulder length is amazing. And the reason why I'm obsessed with these bags is because I told you guys when I showed you the brown one that they are very similar to the Fendi baguettes as far as size, and I just kind of like me a little baguette under my arm, you know. But I love the Plaza name. I just love the Plaza, just like the hotel. Yes, I have had brunch there many years ago. So anyways, girl, what? But wait, there's more. Shh. Just don't. Shh. Ah! We got number 3. We have the white patchwork Plaza bag. Did I just say white? In the white. Anyways, can you guys tell I'm like so excited about these bags? It's almost like getting a baguette back in the late 90s, early 2000s. You'll know I have baguettes from that era. So these bags are so Y2K. They are so retro. I just couldn't help myself and I had to have one of each. I just realized my light was off this whole time. Whatever. But can we look at this beauty right here? Maybe we can appreciate the colors better. I'll show you the other two in a minute. But what? Like, stop. Just stop it. Ah, I just... Okay. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Anyways, girl, look at her. She has this distressed piece of tore up piece of white denim right here. Like, what is going on with it? What is going on? I love it and I'm here for it. Look at this beautiful thing. What? Look at that beautiful piece of denim right here. This piece of white leather, it's like, just shut up about it. Just stop talking about it. Don't talk about it. Okay? And then we have this side. Now, this one has a little bit of gray. It's like a, gosh, it's barely a gray. Light cement color, concrete color, like very light. But these 3 pieces here in this light gray, they are suede and I'm so obsessed with it. I love the little tiny Coach print. This is suede and a beige. Girl, what? So you see how like you have the beige and then you have the gray? Yeah. The way these patches are placed, whoever placed this is either a genius or a madman. I have no idea, but I love it and I'm here for it. What is going on? So let's take this crap off out of the bag. And here we got our strap. And here's more crap. And there she is with her little booklet. We have our price tag and we have our little Coach tag. And what? Guys, look at the charms. Now, I cannot take credit for this. This is not my idea. The first person that I saw doing these shenanigans right here, which I love and I'm here for it, was Deline, and I will link her down below so you can all watch that video if you haven't. But what? Is this where you guys are putting them? Because they look kind of cute in there. I thought about putting them in the zipper pull, but I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna play around with them. But so far I put the pretzel and the black bow because why not? Let's see what we can do with the black one. So the first thing we gotta do is take all this crap off, right? can we talk about the little taxi cab? That is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I think I might put the star on it. But for right now, I'm just going to leave you all with that. Because how cute is that? Where are you guys putting your charms? I need to look at your videos closer. Because are you guys putting it in the zipper pool? Or are you guys putting it in this D-ring where the tag goes? Because it won't fit here. This is too thick. That's what she said. Anyways, so I put the dies on here for now. How cute is it? I'm just trying to like listen. Add a little bit of a different color. So I just feel like she's already got some wannabe yellow in her with these ambers and these honey browns and whatnot. So that's why I gave her the little dice. And then we have the yellow up against the black. This one, I have them here with the tag. But see, it like you can't, to me, in my opinion, you cannot appreciate them as much. But I have put the pretzel and the black bow. And then we have the little dice. It's so cute. And then we have, my favorite. Look at this taxi cab. What, girl? Look at them. Where's the other one? Girl, you got them backwards. Girl, look at this. Just look at this. What is happening right now? Got these three. I'm probably gonna move them out of there, to be honest with you. And I'm gonna put them in the super pool. And then we got dice and we got taxi cab. What do you all think? Adorable. But yes, this is what I wanted to show you guys. These triplets right here. I love them and they're fantastic. So retro, so Y2K, nostalgic almost, because I had pieces with all this patchwork back then and I wish I kept them and I didn't. Look at this. That is what I wanted to show you guys. I know you guys have told me that you have gotten one of these bags or a couple of these bags, and I know you had to, girl, because they are freaking amazing. They are so like versatile, and all three of them, I think all three of them are all year round. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and they are just the cutest thing. I would even use them under, because how chic is that? Under my arm. It's just chic. If you're hearing all this noise, guys, I'm sorry. I am wearing the envelope pendant necklace that has the letter inside from Coach. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah. Oh, and this is one of my t-shirts. If you guys haven't seen my store, go to my store, check it out. And I have different t-shirts. Yeah. What do you all think? Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. Give me a like, hype. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. Leave me any comments below, any questions that you might have. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all soon and take care of yourselves. Bye.